Hey, what's up? So, this is pretty much like an intro vlog thing, I guess. Like, this is my new channel. The old channel that I had, I didn't really have too many videos, but like, they, weren't really like good quality, so, um, yeah, this is my new webcam that I got, so I think it's better than it was, but it still could be better, I guess. I'll have to look at the settings, I guess. But yeah, so I guess I'll be making more videos soon, and yeah, see if anyone has like any requests or anything, and yeah, see if I can make more videos pretty much. um, Wait, I gotta sneeze. Maybe not. Okay. So, um, yeah, it's just so I guess in like the new videos, I'll just have like whatever like random things, and just anything like that I come up with, really, like any thoughts or video. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. I did not think I'd ever sneeze in a video. Uh, I just like sprayed myself with cologne before, so that's probably why. My nose is like itchy right now. Okay. Anyway, yeah. That's about it. So, all right. See ya.